wood turning. This is a project I've been wanting to do for quite a long time now, and I was on YouTube this morning and watched the video again, and I thought today's the day I'm going to have a go at it. And if you haven't heard of it, it's going to be pretty cool. It's called the water droplet effect. So the idea is when you're finished, it looks like there's water droplets on the bowl. Like, it's like quite a big rim. It's more of a platter with just a tiny bowl in the middle. So yeah, you end up spraying water and it looks like water's like set on it, but actually it dries off, the water evaporates, and you're left with just the effect. And it's actually flat, although it should look like 3D, like not flat. But we'll soon find out if it works or not. There's this person on YouTube who I watch who does it. He's called Wayne the Woodturner. It's definitely worth going to check him out, going to watch his videos. He does all sorts of wood turning and they're pretty impressive. And yeah, he's one of my favourite YouTubers, so go check him out. I'll leave his name in the description so you can go check him out after my video. But today we've got like this blank of ash, and that's what we're going to use for this project. So the first step is to get it on the lathe, turn the back, and then turn the front, and we'll start doing that nice effect. So I'm Country Wood Girl. If you haven't watched me already, go check out my channel, go subscribe. There's plenty of other videos out there. I do wood turning, but my main thing is cabinet making, so I make all sorts out of wood. So it's definitely worth going to have a look and seeing if that interests you. And if it does, go subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to comment in what you think or any advice, tips, just anything really, go leave them below and I'll try and reply to everyone I can. It's lovely to read your comments and it really inspires me and motivates me to do some more. So thank you very much and enjoy the video.
Day 2.
Hi everyone, so that's the video done. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. It actually looks really cool. It really does just look like rain has just landed on it and seen. I don't know if the camera's going to show it up very well. We'll try. So if you do wood turning, I'd definitely recommend giving this project a turn because you wouldn't be disappointed with the results. It is just fantastic. Whoever thought of the idea is really clever. I'm really happy with the outcome. I'll leave some stills of it after just so it tries to show up a bit more of like how it looks. So I'm not too sure how this camera's picking that up. But thanks for watching, and if you do like what I've done, hit the thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.